what are you working on today?
Hey, Alan. Well, when I walked in the room this morning, this diagram was on the board. And it's sort of curious. I take a step back, take a step forward, I look at it, and it sort of looks like maybe a spaceship or maybe a UFO. And I thought it was sort of ironic because today, Friday, July the 2nd, is World UFO Day.
World UFO Day. I often wondered why it wasn't called Universal UFO Day, because the Earth does definitely not have a monopoly on UFOs.
Well, and I guess the aliens don't want to be left behind. So I did think it was sort of Twilight Zone, like do weird about this. And the only thing we have is this diagram. We've got these numbers, these dimensions, and I guess where is this spaceship? If we have this diagram, where is this spaceship? Where's this UFO?
Well, we've got to find out where exactly it would fit. So
yeah, but it's not in the parking lot.
No, it's not in the parking lot. So let's figure out the size of this UFO, and then we can figure out where it would fit.
So what we have
looks kind of like we got a rectangle here.
Yeah. Okay, I see that.
I see a semicircle here, and it looks like they've split an ellipse to make it symmetrical. And I think that's where these dimensions are coming from. So let's just figure out the area of each one of those.
Sort of a conic section idea here.
It is a conic
and the
section.
aliens are pretty smart.
Those aliens, they must have had us as math teachers.
That must be. All right, so let's take a look at this rectangle here. So I'm just going to sort of redraw. So we got a rectangle here. Make sure everybody can see. Yeah, rectangle. So we got 7.5 here on a length. We got 4 on a width. And we know that the area is length times width, so 7.5 times 4. Well, the area ends up being 30 for this rectangle.
Okay, and looking at the ellipse here, the area of an ellipse is pi times AB.
You knew that off the top of your head?
I did.
Are you alien?
Might be part alien.
Okay.
And we're looking at the length of A being 2 because the height of the rectangle is 4.
So you're saying 2 here and 2 here because of the split, okay.
Yeah. And got B being this 6 over pi. It's just a little bit less than 2. That's the reason it's B instead of A. And we cross those out, and the area of the two semi-ellipses combined become 12.
All right, so you're saying 6 and 6 apiece.
Yes.
Okay, all right, so then the only thing we have left is this semicircle here. So we know that the area of a circle is pi r squared. Pi r squared. But semicircle, we're going to cut it in half.
Yeah.
Aliens must like pi because their diagram's got a lot of pi in it. So if we look at that, we see pi times the square root of 18 over pi squared divided by 2. But we know the square undoes the square root, the pi's cancel out, 18 over 2. So the area of just this semicircle is 9.
Okay, so we've got 12 and 30 added to 9 becomes 51. That's
51.
51.
Spaceships, UFO, national aliens,
Area.
51. Area 51.
That's where it is.
You can't make this stuff up,
But
y'all.
we can.
I'm Clay Norton.
I'm Alan Moret.
And we are the Acme Math Guys. And as Wile E. Coyote said on the Bugs Bunny Road Runner Show, genius. Y'all have a great day. Happy UFO Day.